lady. Who's that? Handsome person. Oh, hello there. This is Rubik's Cube. This thing is quite hard to solve. So what I'm going to do is solve it. First we just shuffle. In fact, there's over 43 quadrillion, quintillion possible solutions, which I will put here, because I'm going to, do some shit. Also this shadow here, don't mind that, because this setup is atrocious. Gonna have to do some better stuff. There's currently a light shining right into my eyes. It's very blinding. It's very distracting. I can handle it, even though this is probably not going to do good. My already pretty shit eyesight. I cannot even see what I'm doing right now. This is Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna solve. I have a fucking timer. Okay, so I've got to watch. I don't even know if this audio is going to be usable. But, fuck it. I'm going to use it. Okay. This, can you see that? No. You cannot see that. Fuck. God damn it. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to solve. Let's see. Let's examine it. I don't even know what I'm doing on this. Okay. That was fucking not bad. Not bad. I am. Why did I do this? I'm not bad. It's just my first attempt. So good. I have done better. But can you even hear me? Do I have to speak louder? I hope I don't, because it's quite atrocious. So yeah, I'm doing this now. I don't want to have to do another fucking take. So I'll get a different result. 1 minute and 7 seconds. It's pretty good, right? This does not look good at all. Yep. So I have to get a better setup and make sure like my audio records properly. I'm gonna have to listen back to this. Yep, never seen my face before. Well, here it is. Don't know why I did this. What the fuck is this?